So, good evening, all of you. Thank you very much for joining today's session. There is no session, but again, I requested Waghmare from Pune. He's a final year bioengineering student from MIT, and I requested him second time. Earlier, we invited in drafting when we plan legal drafting program, capacity building program, legal drafting. So, at that time, we also discussed how AI and the technology being used in drafting, and then various features are there. So he got the various experience when he visited High Court and saw the various difficulties faced in day-to-day, the legal issues, how in drafting and filing cases, a lot of issues that we can see. So he also encountered this issue, and then in July 2024, he started with his co-founder Ajinkya and then Omia, and today's Saiz has also joined. So they are focusing on building this platform. Already shared the detail in the group, and then they will be launching soon. So again, they got the feedbacks in when they launch in 20 days, they crossed 10,000 visitors. That was very unique part, I would say. And then they keep getting feedback from the various professionals on this particular platform. So basically, the platform focusing on the getting legal answer in the simple language, the connect with the local laws in the fraction of seconds, and the voice-based question and answer in the regional language. So with this, on behalf of organizing committee, we welcome you home and then team for this particular today's additional and I hope it will be fruitful session for all the participants. How like engineering student, I keep telling this example how students and then people from the different non-law background, they are building platform from the legal fraternity. So it's a very great example you have set, and I have also quoted at various platform in my lecture. So over to you, Omen says.
Hello. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, Sir, can you give me like a 2 minutes?
Yes, yes, yes. No problem. Yes.
So my shared screen is visible, right? There is no issue from my side.
Hello.
Yeah, we can see the portal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Om. I'm a final year engineering student. The main cause of the issue was like when I visited High Court, I saw the gap between lawyers and clients. Not clients are not getting lawyers or lawyers are not getting the clients. The lawyers who get clients are belong to very like generational lawyer family. That's why they get easily clients and everything. And clients not getting lawyers is one of the biggest tasks, at that certain ranges. So when I googled it, I got to know in India there are 5.2 crore cases remaining, and around 85 cases are pending in a district court. That's a huge number in India. We have a tons of lawyer graduates every year. Still, we are not able to solve this big issue. Another main issue was I got to know that only 0.5% in India get a legal aid. So that's the idea I got striken. So I decided to build a platform where user and lawyer get connected. It's gonna be a simple user come to a platform, they can type anything they want. The AI will guide them with all the resources and the citations. If that client want a lawyer, he can tell the AI. AI will do the matchmaking with the lawyer, and lawyer and client will get connected. It's just a simple idea. I know it's difficult to understand. That's why we are sharing our screen, and we will tell you like how exactly the workflow works. So, Saish,
Yeah, so I will take a first Reddit example. Like as you know, in Reddit there are many cases where we can go to people put on their queries. I would like to take an live example. So I'll take this one. Uh, let's over and put it on a chatbot. As you can see, we have got an answer. I would like to give everyone to read the. So I will scroll it down slowly so you guys can read it properly, or else Om, you can guide them.
Okay, when user put any answer, the AI will go to the whole Google and Yahoo thing and fetch all the top five resources and give passes to our model, and it phrases the answer under 250 words so that anyone can understand in a simple language. Like you can see, the user put their query, the AI will explain what exactly the query has been written. As we scroll down, you get to know what exactly the law is there, relevant law. And as you scroll down, you'll get to know what exactly the practical steps should be taken, how and you can proceed a thing. And in scroll, as you scroll down, it will also help you with the example, like is some anyone is facing the same issue and what there is a citation provided in it. And as you scroll down, you'll get to know all these sources also, like if anyone has faced the same issue or what are the articles, news and everything. Saish, can you open any one of that?
Yeah, sure. I will open one related to District Consumer Forum. So as you can see, it took us to a Bajband article where the District Consumer Forum orders cinema hall to pay. So according to the query, it gave you the past articles and cases related to it. And like this, there are many more articles, and like as you can see, there's also one consumer complaint portal. Okay, I guess it's not working. Yeah,
uh,
there are many more forums and judgments and areas where consumers can get according to their, yeah.
Yeah, and another issue is that in India, most of the people are not comfortable with typing their query in English. So we thought of making a model in Marathi and Hindi and English. English is the most common term most of the use, like typing in the uh, Hindi, typing in English, but it should sound like an Hindi. So we get a good example of that also. Saish, can you use any English?
Yeah, I will first go with the Marathi, I guess, and then I will go with the English first. So for Marathi, as you can see, the prompt is, and you have to wait for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and the answer will come to you. Wait a minute. Yeah, as you can see, the answers has been given in Marathi as well. So like people who type in Marathi, or who have sometimes more like my mom myself is a mostly types using Marathi and ask questions in Marathi. So we kept that in mind, that for people who are using Marathi as their daily language, they can get answers. It's not like they shouldn't understand, they can even understand all their legal rights and everything. As well as there is an English version. As you know, the Gen Z generations or the new generation people currently use the English more oftenly, and for them it is very comfortable language as well to even understand. So this is one of the example of that. As you can see, the answer is given in English with same citations, examples, everything in English, and the sources related to it.
Yeah, thank you, Saish. Now, suppose someone understand their query. Now, what's the further step if they want a lawyer near them? So they,
So, yeah, like I can tell you, if I want a criminal law, so I will just type in I want a criminal lawyer. The first thing it's asked is from which area. Let's say I want from Mumbai, and yeah, there you go. You are matched with multiple lawyers.
so now if you got like top four result, you can click on a view details to know more about that lawyer. Once you know everything is okay, and then you have to contact the lawyer. There's a button there. If you click on the contact of the lawyer will get the notification in that in their own dashboard. And if lawyer wants to take this case, they can accept it. If they don't, then the client client cases has been passes to other lawyer. This is how the system gonna work. Can you share the lawyer dashboard too, Saish?
Yeah, sure. You just give me 1 minute. I having a net issue something. Yeah. So this is how the lawyer dashboard is gonna look like. For
Uh,
now, I would like Om to explain it better.
Yeah. If any lawyers want to join us, they have to log in through it, in which all the lawyers verification and everything is been done. Here, if any client sends a request, they can easily get to know here, and they accept it, and they can chat and video call easily for 45 minutes. And on that basis, we are doing the connection and everything. That's the simple thing. The main problem we are solving is the client getting a lawyer, and the lawyers who are new to the industry getting the clients for them. The both are getting benefits easily, and that's how we're gonna contribute to our legal tech as from our side. This is all we have built for prototype right now, and currently we have around 100 lawyers with us who have logged in our dashboard and gonna part of us on a May 15th. This is the day we are planning to launch our Nivan AI. And if anyone has a doubt, please go on. This was all our presentation about the prototype. Thank you so much.
Okay, participant, you can unmute yourself and put the query, make it interactive. And if this is not a lecture, this is like demo how the platform is being built. Yes, T Chopra.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Sir, my question is firstly relating to the legal like backing for such an AI because I think
Hmm.
lawyers are prohibited from advertising. So isn't it like prohibited what the AI is trying to do? And it is like unfair to the lawyers who are not registered on this website and like this AI and so like it is likely to create legal complications.
Thank you for that question. It's a big deal in India. Lawyers are not allowed to advertise or promote, so that's why we are not doing any advertising or promoting any lawyer. If you see in our dashboard, we are not taking any charge from any lawyer. It's free of cost for any lawyer to be registered, and we are not taking anything from the commission also lawyer, or we are not taking any money to promote themselves also. We are matching on the basis of lawyer which are online. That's the only thing, and another thing would be the if they are criminal or civil lawyers. That's the only both thing we are matching on. Nothing else is going to be there, like experience or any other thing that could lead any lawyer to be a promoter or a superior amongst another lawyer. That's the thing we are doing, the only AI matchmaking and not promoting any lawyer or not taking any money from the lawyer to be in our platform. Hope I under.
Okay, I think yes. Yes, any other question, participant, you can raise your hand. Okay, another question in chat box. Lawyers should to be registered on different platform, Google or Nivan AI or anywhere on web will work.
Lawyer should be registered on a different platform, Google or Nivan, anywhere web will work. I didn't
So
understand the
I,
question.
I will explain it from my side. So as you see, what actually Nivan does is we every time a lawyer registers on a portal, we create a unique lawyer ID for the person to get matched with the user who selects them. So for that, you have to log in through Nivan's web portal. But in future, we will plan to connect it with Google as well, so that there won't be an issue for you. But right now, for web portal viewers, we are creating a unique ID for the lawyers for the matching itself, like the connection between the users and the lawyer. It should be a secured connection as well. So yeah.
And another question is, hi, you said top four lawyers would be visible to the client, and you said that the new lawyers don't get better chances. Don't you think the problem would be still there within the system for especially the new lawyers? Yeah, we are not matchmaking on the top four lawyers on the basis of their experience or the cases. We are just matchmaking the person who is online at that time and who has a relevant thing. Like if there is a case on the criminal, so you would be visible because sometimes some users are want to ask a question at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in night. If someone is online, then they get matched. Depends on the lawyer who's online that time. It doesn't gonna differentiate between who's better or who's a superior.
So
Hope
like
I.
there's we are not showing their experiences as well. It's all depends on the online time the lawyer is spending. If it's a the button is online, it will show you. And if that category of law comes under your, then it is gonna show you. The first will be you.
Uh, Hi, but you are taking 5% service fee the payment as per your website, Nivan. Yeah, we are taking 5% service fee from user, nothing from lawyers, nothing gonna cut from a lawyer consultation fees or nothing from anything. It's gonna be taken from a user to use our platform. Uh, Hope I answer your question. That does legal aid and this platform are same style of working? Yeah, it is the same kind of style of working. Thank you.
Yeah. And then home executive, the legal documentation that you discussed last time,
Yeah.
any that you like to explain how it works?
Oh, the legal drafting one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be there in the law. If any lawyer join us in the dashboard, there could be an
And
option.
then moot court also that discuss, arguments. Can you show that one?
Yeah, it's on the working stages. Like in the lawyer, if any lawyer come to our dashboard, if they registered themselves, so every lawyer when they get cases, they would have a AI with them, which would help
Yeah,
them.
abhi demo that you can go to
No,
path.
currently we don't have it. It's on the working stages because it's gonna be the personalized AI for every lawyers
Um,
in the cases.
Uh, there's one more question. There are actually two questions on the chat. What about the location? Shouldn't the location of the lawyer also be taken into? So yeah, we are taking the location of the lawyer consideration. It is matching on the basis of location as well. So right now, as you can see, I just typed Mumbai and it showed the Mumbai. In later on future, what we are doing is if a user types in any city or any area, not even Mumbai, even Pune, Bangalore, any cities, even a minor city, like I am from Navi Mumbai. So if he types from a city like Khargar or anything from Navi Mumbai, he will get matched according to the area lawyers. But if that area lawyers are not online at that point, it will then later on move on to the other lawyers nearby who are currently online and will be displayed to the user.
Okay, Neha, over to you, Neha.
Good evening, sir. Actually, my question is the question that was asked that advocates are not allowed to advertise or solicit their work on the online platforms. Of in that in that regard, in any way whatsoever, we cannot even do like offline advertisement or anything of that sort. That is well known to everybody. So the first question that was asked, it is not like we are not asking as an advocate, being an advocate myself. It's my query is not that whether you are charging anything from the lawyers or not. How far is it ethical for the lawyers to be linked to your platform for getting any type of work? Because that is like I'm also putting my portfolio on your platform. So is it ethical for me to do so? Because as per the law I am not allowed to do that.
Can I answer it? Hello.
Yes, yes, Om. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, for to your question, we have talked to tons of lawyer. They told us the one thing is that if you're providing a platform where a lawyer is providing a service and you are not doing any promotion of any lawyer, or you are not showing any work of the lawyer, then it's okay to be legal. You are just a middleman in between client and the lawyer, and you are just matching it. You are not promoting any lawyer. You are not showing the lawyer work. It's just going to be based on the online location. That's all. And we are not taking any portfolio also. We are not taking any resumes or past experience for to be in our platform also. So nothing is going to be there. It's going to be you and the client in between.
I guess.
Actually, when I was going through the
Hmm.
screen that
Hmm.
was being shared, it shows the number of cases handled and like disposal rate and revenue and all those things were visible on the screen. So
Yeah,
that's why
it's
I think.
your thing. It's your
That's
dashboard.
a lawyer dashboard. So
Like
lawyer
if
dashboard
you
is like for a commercial purpose of your own. That won't be shared to the user. It's just something that you can have like a history of yourself. Like through Nivan, you got this many cases, just a record of yourself, how much you earned from Nivan as well. But that's not something that's gonna be commercialized or like shown to the user. The user part is only the cases you work on, like if a criminal law, corporate law, as well as a bit of your bio, and there's no experiences, nothing, and your location.
Okay. I hope Neha.
Actually,
okay, okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Actually, also the thing that you mentioned that
Hmm.
the person who is online at that particular time, that
Hmm.
means real time basis, on
Yeah.
real time basis.
Yeah, it's gonna
Yes,
be
it
real
is
time.
kind of. Yeah, so it is kind of like, because not everybody and not all the regions, the network is fine or
Hmm.
whatever. Because I come from a state like hilly
Hmm.
region, right? So
Hmm. Hmm.
of course there is a digital divide, as we know,
Hmm.
digital
Hmm.
divide is there, and
Hmm.
kind of, given the fact that the
Hmm.
four people, four, suppose there are 10 advocates who are
Hmm.
online at a time, but the
Hmm.
result shows the top four. Like, what are the parameters for the same? Like, how
It's
are the top
uh,
four selected?
Yeah, yeah, I got your answer. If suppose in your area, we can take any northeast area, okay, kind of, where there is a network issues. If someone wants to ask a query and there are the people in a certain area, if not available through the range, so it would say this lawyer is not online, but they can notify the lawyer. If once the lawyer is online, they can see the query. If they want, they can take. If not, they will be passed. And second of all, if you ask the question like if there are 10 lawyers, it's going to be matched based on the most nearest one. The first, it's going to be like if I live in Mumbai, where I live in Vashi. So if user has to put like a proper location and this case, so proper, if there is a proper criminal lawyer and it's going to be near me first, so it would be matched on the most nearest one and the online and the case simply. Hope I answer your question.
Okay. Next question. How you can assure that the answers given by AI are correct?
Yeah, okay. So the basis of the AI is gonna be based on the web crawling thing. Okay, it's kind of new. We are trying to make a legal search engine. Once a user enter a query, the query is going to all Google, Yahoo, and every other places, and it take all the real time answers and passes to the LLM, and which segregate what's fake and what's real and give the answer in the small words, so that we get a real time information with accuracy and nothing any fake articles or a thing.
There was one more question. I guess it just got deleted or something, but it was regarding how you can assure that a lawyer is good for the case. So, as you can see, what we are doing is that we are giving a user and a lawyer a 1 hour consultation. So, as you can see, it's a consultation kind of, where a user will put off his query and you, as a lawyer, will consult him, or you decide if you want to take the case in future. So in future, if the user agrees with the lawyer as well as you agree with the case, you guys can later on connect online or later on offline and continue the case. But that's where the Nivan work is done, that we connected the user to the lawyer, we gave him the best lawyer, and that's it. So it's like a 1 hour consultation.
Okay. Any more question or like anything we left?
There is another question from Arvind.
Okay, okay. Even if the answer is right, if I respond to the AI that answer is given is incorrect, it will always say sorry. Uh, in this case, one thing is there. It's going to be a web crawling. It's a simple concept. Okay, where there's going to be a bug. Okay, when your user asks, it's going to be gone there, and all the legal thing is going to there in the Google, Yahoo, and everything. So it will assure that there is no hallucination or there is nothing like differentiate or wrong also, and that's why we are providing the sources also to provide like on what basis the AI is going to give the answer. So you can easily see what's the difference between the answer and on the what basis the AI is giving the answer. How can you show? Yeah, the citations and the links which is provided by the AI, we can assure you on the answer on the basis of that.
Yes. Any other question, query participant? Says you can go once you can go through one's website. It was because many joined later.
I guess the Neha ma'am.
A little bit slowly so people can ask question in
Yeah, yeah.
between.
So
Yeah.
I guess the Neha ma'am wants permission to unmute. She just texted on the chat.
Okay. Neha, you want to ask question? Neha?
Yes, actually, the thing is that I was just going through the presentation that was given. That this is indeed a very good initiative, like the Nivan AI. However, this user connecting the user with the advocate is something that I'm unable to digest also as of now as well. I also
Yeah,
need to go through and whatever.
yeah.
So I feel it is very good idea, or I must say good application that is really helpful till the time it comes to the matchmaking factor that is there with regard to the advocates and everybody. Like already there are various concerns with regard to AI being ethical and
Mhm.
so matchmaking, and again on what basis the
Mhm.
algorithms work and
Mhm.
how are the advocates
Mhm.
connected. So that may be an issue in future that you can work on and you can figure out. That is just my feedback on my part.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
also regarding the fact that you mentioned regarding the pendency of the cases, like I
Mhm.
feel it is not because of unavailability of lawyers or
Mhm.
advocates, it is mainly because how the system works and
Mhm.
how the cases takes a long time, because it is not only the trial court, but again, there are high
Mhm.
courts, and again it goes up to Supreme Court. There are so many matters
Mhm.
pending. So it was, I personally feel that it was never the unavailability of the advocates, but it is because of the system that works. Because again, when you talk about pendency, it means the case has already been there, it is
Mhm.
there pending before the court. That means advocates are there. But the thing is that the time that it takes, the justice delivery process, and because of the pendency, the matters are listed, and all these case management things are also like being controlled, or being this AI is being used for doing
Mhm.
case management and everything. So
Mhm.
I think it's a very good initiative on your part, just that I'm being a bit critical given the fact that there are so many restrictions. I think you must have heard in news that recently also there was some kind of advertisement by some kind, like some famous reputed firm, and that was a big issue was going
Yeah,
on
yeah,
with
yeah.
regard to
I'm
that
aware of
also,
that.
right? So
Yeah,
just a suggestion on my part that you can rethink, or you can even like go much into depth with regard to this. How much is it ethical? In fact,
yeah.
given the fact that AI itself is like, the ethical concerns are so many, because yesterday also we had a session on this, and we are already seeing in news, and given the deepfake and whatever it is, you
Mhm.
guys are more aware of that, being the
Yeah, yeah,
being
yeah.
from the field of AI, right? So
Mhm.
it's just my suggestion to you, or whatever my feedback, that I think this needs to be worked upon and more researched upon, because later on it may you know have a kind of impact on your this good app that you have brought about. But again, because of one factor, it may cause some kind of issue in future, maybe.
Yeah,
That is
yeah.
what
Thank you so much. We are working on that, and we also got like so many feedback from big law firms and big lawyers also, and some lawyers are joined also with a great experience, and they are helping us to make this more ethical, and we get to more clients. And about that thing, the numbers you said, yeah, it's the thing. But we all have faced, like I personally also faced to getting a more lawyers, and my friends who are law graduates still 2 3 years are not getting a even single client because of the name issue. People doesn't know him or where he is currently. So that's why I thought like kind of make a platform for that. And yeah, I will work on your query, and thank you so much.
my pleasure. Thank you too for a good session.
Arvind sir, are you there?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
No, just my query was also that the person who knows that which answer is correct or wrong, right? For example, in case mind, they have built up a platform where AI search answers from the legal database, which they have fed up, right? Now you said that in your platform, it search Yahoo, Google search on all other platforms, online platforms. But there is no assurance that which article is correct one, which article gives correct opinion, which advocate gives correct opinion. We are not means sure about it. So how AI can determine, because it will again come the bias, right? So how you are going to handle it? Once you are searching the answers from Google, and thereafter you are deciding that which answer is correct one. So how you can assure to the client or user that that answer is correct one? He may be misguided by that.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, yes, yeah, over to you.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, you said about the case mind and everything, right? So if a simple thing, if you go to Google, if you type any query, It's give the all the Indian laws and or particular website we should be go inside. So as a human being, you going to each and every website of the all the legal is kind of frustrating. So we are done what the bug will go inside each and every website which is there, and it will go and find the information for the certain situation. The main thing is to give the answer for the certain. There are certain, if you go to a Reddit also, there is a page called Indian Legal Advice. Okay, the people post like a situation, like a big ass situation that no one could answer also. So we want like a platform where every each and every situation can be based given the answer, so that user could easily talk to an AI and get that solution. About your thing about the confirmation of the answer is going to be that as a human being couldn't go to the all the website of the all the legal database. So that's why we're building in a bug which will go to the all the website, and whatever the legal document you're giving, it will go inside the legal document, uh, curated all the information and pass to the AI. That's how it's gonna work.
Okay. But we also encountered that
Yeah,
whenever
yeah,
Chat GPT or other AI platforms, when we ask the questions and the
yeah,
citations which they provide, they are most of the times they are inaccurate. Most
yeah,
of in some courts also they said that citations are not correct. So how we can rely upon the answers given by or in your platform, this platform, that citations are correct?
yeah. I completely agree on your point. So that's why the model, the bug we are making, the crawling is gonna be trained on the certain website only. So it has the permission to move on the certain website only. If the website doesn't have the information, it will come out. If the website has the information, it will curate out. In the chat GPT, what is the general? Let's go on every website and everything to put on the general information. We don't want that. We will put that on a certain website restriction, that it will go into certain website only and curate the answer from it. So that's why that's the differences we have created.
No, but you just now said that it will search Google, Yahoo, and all other search engines. Means then how you can assure that it is searching only particular type of website or
So
suppose
yeah, okay, I got your point. So when you go to Google, if you type, there's certain legal Indian database also come, right? So it go inside that. I'm telling that the thing, and
Hmm,
we are restricted that not going to any Reddit page or Facebook answer or any other answers to curate the information. That's the thing. The bug will
okay,
go to all the other search platform. It will not go to
okay,
all
okay,
other websites. I'm telling you that.
okay, okay. And how will it be helpful to judiciary also if judges want to use it?
Currently, no, we are not focusing on that. We are focusing on the user part mostly right now and making it connect.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, any
Or
other
else,
question?
Om, you can even give him the example about your friend during the police station scene. He can get a better idea.
Yeah. One of my friend who lives in Akola, I have shared my prototype with him. So he was going through one certain issues in Akola district. So he used our platform for the certain documents and certain citations, and that helped him for the curating the correct information and helped him to solve the cases also. So that's the one achievement we have done in last week.
When will we get access to this
Uh,
or demo or
on May 15th, sir.
Acha, on May 15th? Means
Yeah.
it will be open for everyone.
Yeah, it's gonna be open for everyone for free of cost. So yeah, anyone can use it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, Arvind sir, would you like to share your experience, like, using of AI in judiciary, something little bit going on or in pipeline from your side, if it's okay?
Means how
Manoj?
application of artificial intelligence is useful for justice delivery system, because some ma'am had also said that the pendency and connecting it with the lawyers, that may not be a issue for reduction of pendency, or this may not be useful to reduce the pendency. because that is a entirely different aspect. Means the number of judges appointed, the strength of the judges, pendency, disposal rate, all those things are depend upon it. But so far as lawyers are concerned, because after all, they are the officer of the court. So whatever information they provide, okay, on that basis, judges will means see whether it is correct or not. So now, when there is a ethical question, whatever AI is doing or whatever search they are doing with the help of AI, so how you can get assurance? Because judges will say that we may not rely upon your arguments or documents which is prepared with the help of AI.
And so recently, last like in USA, there is a one fake case generated
Right.
from ChatGPT. So this kind of issue comes up.
Means even if Supreme Court judges have also said that how is it ethical to use the AI? So, as rightly said, if we are using some legal database, means I just give example case mine, because they are using pool of the cases which is fed into that particular system. So we are assured that whatever they are getting, along with the citations, we are getting it. So thereafter, we can have assurance that the answer given is connected with that particular case law. If this type of system is developed, then it may be helpful. Otherwise, with the help of general search, we may not give assurance that answer is correct. And my
Okay.
another suggestion is that how user can get assurance that these three, four types of answers are there, and which one is correct one. Means depending upon the situation, circumstances, if user has not typed the query correctly or not provided correct information while asking the question, he may not be aware about the fact that how much information he need to give to get the correct answer. Then in that situation, he may be misguided that AI is saying something, lawyers are saying something. So just I want to know what is your take on this.
Yeah, sir, sure. So we are trying this a lot. So if a user doesn't provide like a proper situation, like gives like upper say, some questions, so AI will ask again like, uh, can you provide like more detail in it? If yes, then it will give the answer on the basis. If no, then it will give the basis on the journal answer with the sources. Like you can refer to these sources and get certain information about more. That's the thing we are working on, and that's the most important point also.
Right. Miss, just like Kalpesh Kumar sir is doing pro bono work, so it is a free legal aid to all the users or clients.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. There's a question from in the past of website in business got closed in similar lines.
Yeah,
So
there are many, but there's a one major businessman is a legal card. If you go and search, they are also doing a legal matchmaking, but they are doing just not on basis of AI. They are doing on the basis of the cases and everything. And currently, their valuation are also in $1 million. So they are able to, and high court has also made them a legal company also. So that's the thing. If they can do the businesses, so we can also do it. So not a big deal to matchmaking. There's a certain limit and certain thing we shouldn't cross, and that's why we are taking care of it.
yes. Any last one, two question before you close? You can unmute yourself. Anything.
So can I share my email ID and LinkedIn? If anyone has a question, they can.
Yeah, please share your portal, any detail you want to share in chat
Yeah,
box.
I have shared my email ID and my LinkedIn ID. So if anyone has a question, they can reach me out. Or so I said take of AI in sentencing policy. Said take.
I think question is what is your take on sentencing policy with the help of AI?
Yeah, AI in the sentencing policy would be the better than human. Like AI will give the sentence as a proper, like compared to anyone. I don't have like a more knowledge in the sentencing policy, and that's the thing is I couldn't answer it more betterly. Yes, yes, sir.
It depend upon the case to case. Like, sometimes workman compensation, this kind of, cases, there is a basic calculation
Mm-hmm.
happens and then result will be there. But again, like for example, giving a child custody, other things, so or sorry, those kind of decision or any other. So obviously, like human element will be there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, another question like you said, top lawyers are visible. This is what is the base
Based
upon
on the
this?
online and location, just that's all. Nothing else gonna be the thing. Like if anyone has used any Practo app here, it's a doctor connection app in which if any doctor is online, they will connect you to video call, and that's the thing. So we are also following the same thing. And if any lawyer is online, that could help us more easily. Is it like a Google AdWords? I am not aware of Google AdWords. What exactly it is? No, no, it's not going to be AdWords. No one has to pay anything for advertising themselves. So it's not like a Google AdWords. But unlisted is not permitted, so we are not like doing it like a proper, like it's gonna not be confirmed for anything. If you have any doubt, you can google it as a legal card. It's a company or AI legal firm, is in which there are more than 10,000 lawyers are there, and it's connecting with a user, and high court has declared him as a legal platform. So yeah, we are working kind of with the same thing in it.
Okay. Any last question? Any thought?
Which uh
Madras High Court, Madras.
which case
This is judgment of Vignesh Bhargavi. This is Madras High Court judgment, and they asked BCI also instructed. So things will be there in foreign country. Lawyers are allowed to advertise. Like
Mm-hmm.
lawyers also have to run their family and then life on livelihood in this competitive world. So that is fine. It's they keep telling it is not a business. That is a headline of that particular judgment. But again, things will change maybe in future, and the lawyers will be allowed to advertise in India. So I think we should close now. So thank you very much, Om Sais, for your uh, great explanation for this and explaining how it works.
The
And
access will be given to you after the launch of 15th of May, and it will be free access. So like anyone can access it through our website.
sure, sure, sure. So thank you very much, Om and Sais and team for your uh, sparing your valuable time on this, explaining your platform. And then I hope participant got some idea, like how to build up, and then things when issues and challenges happens when you launch or start working on particular idea related to obviously our legal bits. So thank
Mm-hmm.
you, Om and Sais, and look forward to see you in future session also, and all the best for your launch on 15th May. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this
Thank you.
opportunity. See you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, participant, for joining. See you tomorrow.